Are you ready to make your images pop and give your designs a professional touch? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a picture background in Canva effortlessly. No fuss, no complicated steps. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or just want a clean image, this guide has you covered. First, open Canva. If you don't have an account, signing up is quick and free. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Smooth design starts with the smooth setup. Once you're in, navigate to your design and upload the image you want to edit. If you've already uploaded it, simply click on the image to select it. This tells Canva which element you want to work on. At the top of your screen, you'll see a set of options. Look for the button that says BG Remover and click it. This is Canva's powerful background remover tool. In just a few seconds, Canva's AI detects and removes the background automatically, leaving your main subject clean and crisp. Keep in mind, this feature is part of Canva Pro, but if you're on the free version, you can try Canva Pro with a free trial to test it out. With the background removed, you can further refine your image, adjust colors, add text, or include additional design elements to make your project stand out. Canva's tools make it easy to create polished, professional-looking designs in minutes. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Canva lets you download your image in multiple formats like PNG or JPEG, perfect for digital use or printing. And that's it. A quick, simple way to remove backgrounds and elevate your designs in Canva. Try this technique and you'll unlock endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching and happy designing.